Hi, I am Oliver Tire, owner of Tire Industry, and today, with this video, we'll see, based on my business operation, how can someone use Access with the material covered in the Information Technology 2 class. I had this class a few years ago when I was a St. Lawrence student. The goal of today's presentation is to show you if the theory is the same as the reality. In fact, this video will show you how to build a database system on Access and how to build a query to separate several data on Access. In my business, it is very important to collect data. In fact, our company collects a good quantity of data of our business activities and from our customers. So, we must create a database, which is a collection of data collected and organized by someone or a group of people. As a company, we decide to use Access because this software offers us the chance to create a database all in the same place. So, we have access to all our different database in one place. So, to start a template, you need to open Access. When you have found Access, you will see that there's different templates available. So for this exercise, we'll choose the blank one and we'll write the name of the database. So in this case, it will be Tire Industries. Then you create, and now you have your template. So at this moment, you can create your own database. So let's start. So now that I have my blank database, I can enter data. There's two ways. The first one is by doing it manually by clicking Add Field, and now I have plenty of options. So I click on short text and enter customer. The other way, so in my case, I have an Excel spreadsheet with data and headlines. So what I can do is by going in Access in the External Data tab, and then here, as you can see, there's a various way to import and export data. So I will click on Import Excel. And then here, what I will do is that I will browse my Excel spreadsheet. And then I will do OK. So here you can see my data that I have in my Excel spreadsheet. So I will do Next. Here I will do Next. And then here I will type the name of my table. So in this case I will put customer. Then I click Finish, Close, and as you can see I have my customer table with my data. It's now time to create a query to separate data. So what is a query? A query is a request for data results, for action on data, or for both. Someone can use a query to perform different tasks, such as answer a simple question, to perform calculations, to combine data from different tables, and many more. This tool is very useful to separate data with a specific demand by the user. With a query, someone can separate data with a specific information. Let's see how we can do it. So to create a query, we need to go in the Create tab and click on the query design. When it's done, we will select the table that we want to use. So in this case, we'll take the customer table and close the windows. So there's two ways to customize a query, on the design view and the SQL view. The SQL view is for those who are easy with programming. So today we won't take this one, we'll select the design view. So to set up the query, I'll select the customer number, customer, contact, city, and the sales rep. I will sort it so that it is in the ascending order, and I will use the criteria Quebec City because I want to see what are my customer in Quebec City. So I'll run it to see the sample, and I will save it with the name of the table, the query, which is Quebec City customer. So for every query that I made, I can see it on the left side in the navigation plan. In my company, we have a policy to get paid within 30 days. So I want to see who are my customers who pay in an average of over 30 days. So I will put the sign bigger than and the 30 and we will run it to see if it works. So as you can see, we have 2 customers that pay in average later than 30 days. So I will save it and I will call it bad payers. There you go, and I'll click OK. To conclude, we have covered the 2 different topics that I use for my business, which were how to build a database and how to create a query to separate data. These topics can help businessmen and businesswomen to be more effective and efficient in their works. With this video, I have shown that the theory covered in Information Technology 2 class is the same as the reality because I use it for my business activities. So thank you and hope you like it.